So I just wanted to film a little video on my current makeup storage. Yes, there is room for improvement. I've just sort of moved everything out of my bathroom and various other cubby holes and hidden locations and really brought all my makeup together. So this is a work in progress, but I thought I'd share what I'm doing right now, and then I'll probably give an update when things get a little bit more organized and a little bit better. I'm probably the only person that does not have an Alex drawers for my makeup storage, and I'm not intending to buy any anytime soon, but I do see how they are kind of useful. So anyway, this is my den. I won't show you the whole thing. It's not very big, but I don't currently do my makeup in here every day because I get enough light when I get up first thing in the morning, although the sun doesn't get up till about 6:30 now, so I'm going to start doing my makeup in here again. I've got my little mirror, so what I do is I take my little mirror with me, I take my makeup brushes, I take whatever palette that I want to use, and this is only some of my palettes. These are sort of the current, what I call summer palettes, the ones that I'm using right now. And then I have this sort of like makeup baskety thing that I'm using. This is a little storage thing that I had in my bathroom. This used to be sort of my main storage, so this was on my counter, and this was the storage that I used for the things that I was using on a day-to-day basis. And right now I don't really use what's in here because I take what's in here and I move it into the basket. So I can just go through some things that I'm currently using as my sort of summertime makeup. So I've shown this in a few videos. This is, I'm focused here. There we go. This is the bronzer that I've been trying to use, and I made some good progress on that. This is the foundation that I've been trying to use. Again, not sure what's happened with my focus here. Anyway, this is the Milani, I think I called it 3-in-1 before. It's the 2-in-1. And I've been mixing that with this Temptu BoxyCharm. This is a powder foundation that I've been using. It's the CoverGirl beige one, Puff Beige. Actually, so I've been using a little bit of this one now because I did finish up a concealer. It'll be in my empties. And I have been using again this one. This one is pretty much done, but I think I got another week or so out of that one. At least I'm trying to make it last. What else do we have here? So I have been using this a bit. I haven't really talked about this too much. I don't really like it. I've been using it either straight on my face and in combination with this. Or sometimes I use a flat top brush to buff it in. Again, don't really care for that. Anything else here that's interesting? So I have been working through these two products as well as my, anyway, I don't know why this won't focus. Maybe I'm too close. It's the Tarte Muse Cheek Stain, and then this is the Benefit What's Up. I'm trying to use that. Wow, this is real boring. Again, all my eyeliners that I've been trying to use up. These are a couple like what I call sort of summer eyeliners. This is ColourPop in Get Paid. This is a little Makeup Forever one. It's 12L. So some summer things there. So yeah, this is the stuff that I've been using over the past, I would say past 2 months. For the most part, I've swapped some things in and out here, so like eyebrow products I've been swapping in and out. But yeah, this is kind of what I've been using over the past 2 months. Now that it's getting end of August, I'm probably going to swap a lot of this out and move into sort of fall makeup for September, probably mid-September. So when I do that, I can do sort of like a makeup basket type video. I'm not as diligent as some other people. I think too much Tash does hers like every month. She has like a monthly makeup basket. I kind of do this every couple of weeks. I sort of pull some things out, put some things in. So yeah, there's that. And then this is, sorry, I can't get back up here. So I have my lipsticks up there on a little shelf. So that's a photo shelf from IKEA and the 2 acrylic storage things that I've talked about before. And then I just have this little like plastic trolley cart thing that I got. It was at my parents' house. My mom had sewing stuff in this. She actually had two of them, but this one was in better shape than the other one. And it actually has like a big crack on it right there. So it's not in the best of shape. It's maybe not the best thing, but hey, it was free, so it works. What I have on top is some setting sprays. That's a bag of fragrances, perfumes and stuff. I really don't use perfume that often, so I need to just work through those. I've been slowly using them, but not enough. Same with this. I've been trying to use this poolside spray from Bath and Body Works. I don't know if I can show you how far I am there. Like, I've been trying to use this a lot, and it just takes me forever. The other fragrance I've been trying to use is this guy. This is Beach Walk. I bought this last summer, so it just goes to show you, like, it takes me forever. These are other palettes, smaller ones that I am using on the regular right now. And what do I have in these drawers? So not too exciting. This drawer is sort of a miscellaneous. I have some single eyeshadow things here, some glowy kind of products. This, what is this? Concealer that I don't use, some eye products here that I haven't really used a whole lot. Actually, I think I need to throw this out. I think that's, let me just take that out. This is the Rimmel Black. I don't really use it, and it's dried out. I probably could save it, but it's not worth saving to me. I might as well just buy a new one. Some other eyeliners that I have here. Some eyeshadow palettes that I don't use, but I don't want to get rid of. This is just some face products, and again, a couple of eyeshadow palettes, just some smaller ones that I don't really use right now. Again, yeah, like this is the Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer, but I want to save that for winter time, but it's almost done. This is a problem. I have way too many powders right now that I need to work through. So getting through those. This is also a problem. This is a problem with this storage, is the drawers don't slide out very nicely. It's hard to do with one hand. Hold on. So in this drawer, I have all my lipsticks, the extra ones that don't fit in the acrylic storage above, which again, this is a problem I need to deal with. And this is a baggie of lip balms, which I've just filmed a video on, and I'm going to apologize. The audio on that video is going to be terrible. I'm going to try and fix it as best I can. I just don't want to refilm it because it was a very impromptu kind of video, and you can't really refilm that if it makes sense. And the bottom drawer here was empty, and I decided to put the palettes that I'm not currently using down here. So I've got the Too Faced palettes down here. This is the Real Her palette. Anyway, I've talked about these palettes in other videos, so nothing too exciting. There's only a handful there, and then this is all just empty storage stuff that eventually I'll probably use at some point. So yeah, that's it for the makeup storage situation. This is sort of all of it right now. Definitely needs improvement, but I'm happy with how it's working right now. I feel like I know what I have now, which is it's half the battle, people. So I'm in my bathroom right now, and I just wanted to show kind of what I've done with my skincare and hair care and stuff like that. Again, this counter, I used to sort of have my skincare and stuff on this side, and then my makeup, that little acrylic thing, was over here on this side. So you can see, like, I do have a lot of space along here to fit things. So yeah, my current daily facial moisturizer or facial wash is the Purity one, now that I've finished this stupid Niod one. And then I've been using this Olay. I don't know why nothing wants to focus. Why does nothing want to focus? This is the Olay, I can't even read it, Complete 30, SPF 30 Defense. I've been trying to use this because it has SPF in it. I don't like it because I don't like using moisturizer with SPF in it. Oh, and here's Wolfie. Somebody wants lunch, I think. And so a couple other things I haven't been using. So this is almost done. This is my eye makeup remover. This is the Boscia exfoliating gel, which I use about once a week. I do have a small mouthwash here. I actually have a bigger one under the cabinet, and I have another small bottle that I refill with. I don't know if that makes any sense. Some hair stuff. Now, this is a bunch of stuff that I'm trying to use. This is almost empty. I just need to use it. I keep forgetting to use it. It's self tanner. Same with this one. This one's probably about half empty. I just need to finish it. I don't think they even sell this anymore. And this is a moisturizer that I use sort of in conjunction with this one. But again, I kind of keep forgetting to use it, so I'm trying to use it on the regular. This is another product that I'm just trying to finish up. It was in the graveyard under the cabinet. I don't like it. The packaging for this is dumb. It's very liquidy, so why it's in like a squeezy tube makes no sense. It should be in like a dropper or a pump. Otherwise, I probably would use it more often if the packaging was better. My other skincare is up here that I'm using. This is the nighttime moisturizer that I'm trying to finish up. I've talked about that. Behind that's the Laneige stuff that I pop into and use every once in a while. I have no idea if any of this is in focus because my camera's being dumb. This is a couple of ordinary things, a couple of samples that I'm trying to use up as well that I keep forgetting about, so I'll put them out here. The two eye creams that I'm using regularly. A lip polish I haven't really talked about. This is the Milani one. I've been getting better at using this. I wasn't using it before. Yeah, so that's it. Oh, and the NuFace device that's here. I know I bought this a while ago and haven't really talked about it since because I used it for about a month and I stopped using it. So I don't have a good enough opinion yet to, I know, buddy, it's lunchtime. I don't have a good enough opinion yet to provide on this. I'm going to get back into using this in September once I'm home a bit more. Just I've been away a lot in the summer, so it just seemed kind of useless to try and review this product when I wasn't using it consistently. And that's it. Hey, buddy, where are you going? Hi. You hungry? Yeah, sorry. My floor is a mess. Towel on the floor that needs to go in the laundry. I'm horrible for doing this. I need to not do that and unplug it. So yeah, that's it. I have some hair products over here on a shelf. So this little shelf here actually has some hair stuff. I'm considering moving this shelf into the den as well once I've cleared out some of the stuff on this and put it under the sink. So I do have some stuff under the sink. We won't get in there. The bonus though, if you see, under my sink, the cabinet is very narrow. So things don't tend to die too much down there because I can't fit that much underneath. That's why most of it's actually up here because I do better when I can see my products. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I have no idea if any of this is in focus or useful, but I thought it would be interesting to show what things are like. I live in a very tiny space, so I mean, this is it. This is the only bathroom I have, the only things I have. Having a smaller space makes it a little easier for me actually to be more organized and not buy too much stuff, or at least it is helping. So, say bye, buddy. Say thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And I hope to see you all again sometime soon. Bye.